This is what a month of packages looks like as a 15-year-old tech creator. I know, there's just way too much here. But lucky for you, I'm gonna be unboxing all these packages and showing you what's inside, so no gatekeeping here. I know some of you might be like, oh, you're just some rich kid. But actually, most of these packages were sent to me by different brands to review and shared with you guys. And I believe we have some camera gear, phone accessories, and other random tech all inside this mountain of packages. Alright, let's get it. Up first, we have a pair of electric screwdrivers from Fanttik. I've been building a lot of things lately, so when Fanttik reached out, I couldn't resist. In this box, we have the E1 Pro Precision Screwdriver, which comes in this super hard casing, and with a simple click, it can be opened, revealing the screwdriver itself in 24 bits. The screwdriver comes with two different torque modes for different repair styles, a lock switch, and a switch for changing direction. In the second box is the next L1 Pro electric screwdriver. It comes with 14 bits, a charger, and this casing to house everything. Inside the screwdriver itself, you get 2 directions, 6 torque modes, and a 2000 milliamp battery. These are great for fast, small, and easy builds, and I definitely recommend checking them out. Next, which is probably my favorite out of all these products, is this tech frame from my friends at Grid Studios. So this is a PS4 controller tech frame, and it's pretty simple actually. It's just a frame with a broken down PS4 controller inside. Pretty cool, right? Grid Studios makes a variety of these frames from smartphones to computers to game consoles, and I might need to pick up a few more in the future. Also, just a heads up, all the links to the different products are listed below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Thirdly is this giant care package from Ulanzi, a photo and video company that makes tripods, camera accessories, lights, and so much more. Up first is this package, which contains their 40-watt light. This is a recently released product, and I'm super happy I got to test it out beforehand, so big thank you to the marketing team over at Ulanzi. Regarding features, this light can go from 0 to 100% brightness, display colors from 2500 to 6500 Kelvin, and includes 8 different scene lighting selections. You also receive a charger, softbox, and reflector, and if you got the upgraded version, you got the stand as well. Also inside, we have this LED clock and display. I personally love having this LED display on my desk, and with being able to display my YouTube subscribers, the time, date, and so much more, it truly brings my setup to the next level. Lastly is this tech organizer, which is great for traveling. It can store SD cards, cords, chargers, hard drive, and a variety of small accessories. And I know I'll be using this bag every time I travel, so a huge thank you to Ulanzi for sending this over. Next, we have a trio of filters from K&F Concept. All of these filters have been sent to me over the last month, and through testing them out with different styles of photography, I've come to enjoy using them every day. So first up is the CPL filter, more specifically the 46mm CPL filter Nano X series. Next is their Black Diffusion ND filter with 9 stops from ND2 to ND400. An ND filter's job is to reduce the exposure of your scene. That way you can capture crisp, long exposure photos. Or if you're a filmmaker, they can help to ensure you're shooting with the correct settings. Finally is this Shimmer Diffusion filter, which helps create that dreamy vibe within your photos. It creates that sort of bloomy, hazy light effect over bright sources of light, adding that cinematic or warm vibe to your images. For the last package, we have a gift from PGY Tech. I was lucky enough to receive this package before it released and create a video for PGY Tech themselves. So this is their More Sling with an expandable size from 7 liters to 11 liters. It includes these interchangeable padded sleeves, making storage customizable to your preference. You also get half a dozen pockets and pouches, so all of your gear has a home. In the front, you have the sleeve for your gimbal, clips on the bottom for a tripod, and multiple pouches for filters and batteries. Overall, this bag can fit a wide variety of different people. That about sums up this video. Thanks for watching, and to not miss another video, I have some bangers coming soon. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, and happy creating!